What if Earth orbited not one, but two suns? A world of double daylight, a blazing realm where night may never fall. Imagine our solar system as a finely tuned clockwork mechanism, with Earth held in a delicate gravitational dance by our sun. Now, introduce a second star. Suddenly, we're caught in a cosmic tug-of-war. Two immense gravitational forces are pulling in different, often opposing directions. This isn't just a simple adjustment. It's the introduction of a fundamental instability known as the three-body problem, a puzzle that has perplexed physicists for centuries because of its inherent unpredictability. Our planet's predictable, nearly circular path would be torn apart. The stable orbit we rely on for consistent seasons and a stable climate would collapse into a series of wild, chaotic ellipses. One year might see us flung far out into the cold depths of space, while the next could drag us perilously close to not one, but two stellar furnaces. During these scorching perihelion passages, surface temperatures would soar, boiling away oceans and turning continents into uninhabitable deserts. Then, as our chaotic orbit swings us outward, a deep, interstellar freeze would set in, encasing what's left in a thick shell of ice. These aren't gradual changes. They are violent, planetary-scale shocks, swinging between fire and ice over unpredictable timescales. With double the solar radiation, the delicate balance of our atmosphere would be shattered. The upper layers, superheated by the relentless energy, would swell dramatically, expanding hundreds of kilometers further into space. This would create a death zone for low-orbit satellites, which would encounter increased atmospheric drag and spiral back to Earth in fiery streaks. Down below, the air would become perilously thin, and our protective ozone layer would begin to catastrophically erode. The changes on the surface would be even more apocalyptic. The familiar white clouds of our world would burn away under the intense glare, and the oceans would begin to steam, releasing colossal plumes of vapor. This super-moist, superheated environment would become a breeding ground for hyperstorms, unimaginably vast weather systems, like hurricanes of fire and plasma, crowned with perpetual lightning. Faced with an existential threat, humanity's survival would hinge on its oldest instinct: innovation. To endure the relentless glare of two suns, we would need to fundamentally redesign our world. On the surface, sprawling cities would be encased in vast, solar-shielded domes. These megastructures would feature dynamic, reflective surfaces and sun-tracking louvers, constantly adjusting to deflect the worst of the heat and radiation, creating temperate havens below. But for true security, we would also turn inward, burrowing deep into the Earth's crust. These subterranean habitats, powered by geothermal energy and advanced fusion reactors, would become the new heartlands of civilization. Here, life would continue under simulated skies. Power grids would be completely reimagined, built to capture and store immense energy from the twin stars during their complex cycles. This new reality would push science to its absolute limits, where invention would become our only hope. Two suns might sound like paradise, but sometimes perfection means balance, not abundance. One sun is all we need to power life and inspire invention. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of invention and discovery. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more discoveries on Invention Chronicles.